Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Investment Pro. Today we are discussing Snapchat earnings from Q4 2021. Snapchat just reported its Q4 earnings, and what a quarter, what an amazing quarter. It is amazing to see Snapchat's first quarter of positive net income as a public company. They reported 23 million in Q4 2021. It is the same company that tanked more than 25% when Apple privacy changes implemented on iOS devices that hurt the company's ability to target and measure its digital advertisement. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and smash the like button for YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate it. Without further delay, let's look into Snapchat earnings from Q4 2021 and annual financial highlights. As per the CNBC reporting, earnings per share reported at 22 cents versus 10 cents as expected by the market. Revenue reported at 1.3 billion versus 1.2 billion, again beating the market expectations. Global daily active users reported at 319 million versus 316.9 millions, again beating the market expectations. Average revenue per user reported at $4.06 versus $3.79 as per the CNBC reported data. Let's take a deeper look into Snapchat earnings from Q4 2021. Daily active users increased by 20% year-over-year to 319 million. Fourth quarter revenue increased by 42% and full year revenue increased by 64% year-over-year. First quarter of positive net income as a public company. First quarter full year positive operating cash flow and free cash flow. This is amazing earnings for Snapchat beating the market expectations. Annual highlights: revenue increased to 64% to 4.1 billion in 2021 compared to the prior year. Everyone was expecting Snapchat to go down, further tank since the Apple changes their privacy settings. And from annual standpoint, net loss improved 48% to 488 million in 2021 compared to the prior year. Second consecutive year of positive adjusted EBITDA with 617 million in 2021. First full of positive operating cash flow and free cash flow of 293 million and 223 million. In particular, quarterly earnings from 2021, the Q4 2021 revenue increased by 42% to 1.3 billion in Q4 itself compared to the prior year. First quarter of positive net income as a public company, so they reported 23 million as a positive net income in Q4 2021. They improved by 97% on EBITDA, improved by 97% to 327 million in Q4 2021 compared to the previous year. Cash flow also improved significantly to 186 million in Q4 2021 compared to 53 million in the prior year. So everything is beating the market expectations for Snapchat. So they also highlighted that their community is growing, they are engaging, they're further growing. Their daily active users were reported at 319 million in Q4, increase of 54 million, or you can say 20% year-over-year. Their growth has been phenomenal so far, especially in Q4 2021. So how did they achieve these numbers, right, in Q4 2021? So they invested into innovation, they invested into augmented reality platform. They launched 18 New Year's Eve lenses generating more than 7 billion impressions. They released several enhancements and new features to Lens Studio, including the new sounds library, real world physics, world mesh, and API libraries for real-time data. Lens creators can now include call to actions linked between a lens, making it easier for lens creators to grow their business. They partnered with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation to launch a new water segmentation lenses. There is so many amazing things in 2021. They also invested into content, offering the number of Spotlight viewers subscribing to a content more than doubled relative to the prior quarter. over 20 spotlight creators are also syndicating shows on Discover, including beauty entrepreneurs, Patrick Star, and crafting expert. Especially in Q4 2021, they had numerous number of partnerships, that helped this company to grow in Q4 2021. They partnered internationally. They partnered with celebrities, Kim Kardashian, West, and so on. That helped this company to grow significantly in Q4, giving the visibility they always wanted to have. So they expanded the product portfolio, they expanded the partner ecosystem. They launched first two Snap Map layers, Memories Explore, which allow users to view their saved snaps by location, explore new ones around the world, and have been used over 100 million times since launch. So they are there's a full list of innovations, new features they launched in 2021, and they're growing their business. Their advertising business is growing, right? And remember, this is the same company that tanked more than 25% back in October 2021, when the Apple made changes to their privacy settings. I'm still, when this stock was falling, and it was falling like a falling knife, right? I had invested into this stock. I own like 28 shares in Snapchat. So this stock was down, almost down to $23, $24 this morning, and just before the earnings, the stock was trading around $26.49. Just after the earnings release, there was a massive run in the stock price. Like the stock itself ran by more than 62% itself, and currently is trading around in after hours more than $38.43. So I'm holding this stock, and I think they're gonna go back to their previous earnings. They're gonna go back to their previous all-time high, and who knows, they could break the $80 range if they keep reporting the positive cash flow, if they keep reporting the positive income, if they keep reporting the expansion in partnerships, if they keep reporting the revenue numbers and so on in 2022. I think this company gonna grow well, and I do believe I'm still holding my stocks, and I want to see them breaking the previous all-time high, more than 80. And to be honest, my thought process here is to keep holding this stock, and that's my personal opinion based on my research and their user-based growth. So guys, let me know what you think. If you have any, if you plan to sell this stock on this run up, and especially it's gonna be amazing to see what happens to this stock tomorrow morning, right? And once market is open, how this stock gonna react, right? Will it go back to the 27 range, or will it just skyrocket, more than kind of $50? I hope that this stock gonna open somewhere at $50, but again, it's my personal opinion, not a financial advice. You do whatever you think is best for you. All right guys, so thanks for watching, and and I hope you will do well. And before you go, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. All right guys, I'll talk to you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.